Adejatham. Bridgel from, yeah, jersey number 99. Jersey number 99, जरा पुढे यायचंय please. Promising player, Uttan FC, jersey number 99, please come forward. Jersey number 99, Uttan FC. All right, thank you so much. Nawanagar versus Tarun Sporting. Tarun Sporting winning this tournament once in this 19 years. And Nawanagar showcasing the talent, I believe, for the first time. So, this is the round of 16. Nawanagar versus Tarun Sporting. Over to you, Bijoy Dimallo.
Nawanagar. Tarun Sporting, quite an attack, very aggressive. Well, the ball is cleared by Nawanagar. There were many pink shirts in the forward line. Tarun Sporting. Throw in for Tarun. Well, there's some claim. It's going to be a corner, the first corner of this match for Tarun Sporting. That's right over all the players on the other side, and it's now a throw in for Nawanagar. Throw in. Nawanagar. On the left wing. Well, it hit the crossbar. It was tapped in very nicely. Goalkeeper failed to judge it, went right over him. It literally fell on the crossbar and went out of play. Once again, Tarun Sporting. On the right. They have a player there. In the center. Here's an opportunity. What a goal. What a goal. What a goal. Nawanagar stunned. They can't even believe what happened. What a beautiful piece of reflex over there by Tarun Sporting. It was just like a flash. Nawanagar players, the defense, didn't even know what happened. Nawanagar straight into the attack. On to the left. Well, that's a nice one in the penalty area, but cleared by the Tarun Sporting defense. Nawanagar once again. Falling short of. The ball goes out of play. Throw in to be taken by Tarun Sporting. Tarun Sporting once again into the center, crosses it to the right. They have a player here on the right, in the center once again, but that was a wrong pass. Nawanagar once again in possession of the ball. Nawanagar. There are 4 players on the top. He crosses it, but it is stopped by the Tarun Sporting defense. They have a player on the right, looking for his teammates, gives it back to the defense. Oh, that's, I think, not properly judged, and the ball goes out of play. Throw in for Nawanagar. Can he stop the ball? No, it's throw in. Nawanagar once again. That's a good pass. Once again, Nawanagar. That was a good pass through some defend, but collected by the goalkeeper. Tarun Sporting once again. Onto the left. Looking for a man. Can't find one. Engaging the players. Onto the left. In the penalty area, it is headed, but could not judge it properly. The ball goes out of play. He was too far ahead to head it. Goal kick.
Check. This is a call for the committee members. Anyone who's got the go down keys, can you please come forward and give it to us? The go down, the behind YMCA go down. Anyone has got the keys, please come forward and give it to us. Thank you. Yeah, Vijay.
Tarun Sporting once again. Lose position, Nawanagar. Oh, that was a cheeky one, but could not retain the position. Tarun Sporting once again. Well, it is cleared by the defense. Ball goes out of play, throw in for Tarun Sporting. That's a good one. Nobody was marking that player. They are in the penalty area. Nobody to take that ball. It's still in the penalty area. It's headed in. Oh, that was close, but the goalkeeper makes no mistakes, collects it. Once again, Tarun Sporting. Right in front of the goal. He takes a crack. The goalkeeper stops it. There was no need. It was going outside. It's still in the D. That's a nice one, but can he collect it? Yes, he has. Tarun Sporting, once again. They've got 2 players in the center. Well, that was not a good decision. He could have easily passed it, but they still retain the possession. Once again, Tarun Sporting on the right. 3 forwards. That's a good one in the penalty area, but that was a wrong pass. Could not find his man. Nawanagar wastes no time. Well, he takes a shot, but the forwards could not reach it. Nawanagar once again building that attack. In the penalty area. That can be dangerous. Well, I think there was a deflection there and the ball goes out. No, there was no deflection. The ball did go out. There is a change being made by Nawanagar. Tarun Sporting. Nawanagar once again. Oh, that was a wrong pass. That was absolutely a wrong pass. There was nobody to take the ball. Tarun Sporting once again on the left. Tarun Sporting. Oh, he has been brought down. Free kick for Tarun Sporting. Just 30 yards. Well, there are only 3 pink shirts in the penalty area and 4 defenders. Well, all the Tarun Sporting players are heavily marked. Well, it's kicked right above the crossbar, and that's a waste of a free kick. Tarun Sporting still leading by 1 goal. A real spectacular goal. It just went in like a flash. Oh, he has kept the ball inside. Nawanagar loses the ball. No, he regains possession. And crosses the ball to the left. Looking for a player. He kicks it into the goal, but straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. And that's the end of the first half with Tarun Sports leading
Well,
by
there
one goal.
goes the Bigel. Tarun Sporting leading 1-0 is Nawanagar. And not to forget, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a giveaway. To my right, you can see 10 IPL tickets to win. If you like, follow, subscribe. Simple as that. On Insta, you like, and YouTube, you subscribe. Winning prizes coming up. Matches between Hope United versus V United. Okay, all the Uniteds coming together this time. Hope United versus V United. This is the next match coming up. DJ music. Hope United and V United get set. Your match is next. And right now, the match between Tarun Sporting versus Nawanagar. Tarun Sporting leading 1-0 in the first half. The second half about to commence.
Tarun Sporting to start the second half. Referee looking onto his watch. And there it goes. Onto the left. Once again. Into the center. Crosses it to the right, but it is blocked by the Nawanagar defense. But they lose possession once again. Tarun Sporting into the penalty area. Can he hit it inside? And It hit the pole. It hit the post. It could have been goal number 2. Well, it's a corner. Corner for Tarun Sporting. This was a very close one. There's a little bit of pushing here and there in the penalty box. And once again, there is an opportunity, nicely blocked. Nawanagar on the attack. There is nobody there. The ball is cleared away. Nawanagar once again. Tarun Sporting on the run. On the left. Well, they could not. Once again, Tarun Sporting. Well, it is kicked outside for a goal kick. Tarun Sporting once again. Into the penalty area. Nicely blocked by the Nawanagar defense. Well, this is dangerous. But not much power in that shot. Easily collected by the goalkeeper. Here we have once again, well, no control over that ball. Ball goes out of play. And it's, well, there is some sort of an argument. Nawanagar were claiming a corner kick, but referee disallows. It's a goal kick for Tarun Sporting. Tarun Sporting once again. There are two men running after the ball. He did stop it, but the ball goes out of play. Tarun Sporting. In the center. Once again, he finds his man. Gives it on to the left. Well, way across to the right. There was no need. Losing his balance. There is some pushing there. Referee blows the whistle, and I think it is a free kick for Nawanagar. Nawanagar making a change. The goalkeeper to take the free kick. And there it is. And very easily collected by the Tarun Sporting goalkeeper. Tarun Sporting once again.
Coming up matches between Hope United and B United. Gets set for
there
the
is an
next
opportunity
match.
here. There is an opportunity, but the goalkeeper collects it very easily. Nawanagar once again in position. Referee says carry on. Nawanagar once again, and well, straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. Tarun Sporting. Crosses it to the right. In the center. To the left. Center once again. On to the right. They are really crossing the ball. And that's a crack, but wide. Nawanagar. That's a good kick right in the half of, well, straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. Nawanagar. Well, there was some pushing there. Referee warning the players. And it's a free kick from just outside the box. Just outside the box for Tarun Sporting. No wall, only one person, one player standing in front. Well, the referee asking him to move away. An opportunity for, well, it's nicely deflected by the goalkeeper, and it will be a corner for Tarun Sporting. Can Tarun Sporting make it number 2? Goes right over all the players to the side for a throw in. Nawanagar to take the throw in. Nawanagar. Well, that was not a good pass. Tarun Sporting. Well, there's a player brought down. The referee allows it. Carry on. Nawanagar once again. This is an opportunity on the right. Well, he fumbles with the ball. Wastes valuable time. He tries to go dribble pass, but no, it's outside. It's a throw in for Tarun Sporting. It was a good opportunity. Tarun Sporting once again. That's a good one. That's a good one. Tarun Sporting. Well, that was brilliant defending. Really good. Tarun Sporting once again. Near the penalty area. That can be dangerous. Can you do it? There was some pulling, and I think this is going to be very dangerous. I think it is a free kick just outside the box. Tarun Sporting to take this free kick. The wall of 4-3. Well, that was brilliant piece of goalkeeping by the Nawanagar. Tarun Sporting. Well, the goalkeeper collected it very nicely. There was a Nawanagar attacker there, but the goalkeeper had no trouble in collecting the ball. Once again, the ball with Nawanagar. Can they do something? Well, no, the defense is too alert. Tarun Sporting once again. Nobody to take that, and it goes wide. Goal kick. Changes being made. Tarun Sporting makes 2 changes. Nobody to take that. Ball still with Tarun Sporting on the right wing. Passes it back. Tarun Sporting once again. crosses it to the left, but cleared away by the Nawanagar defense. Throw in. Tarun Sporting once again. Well, blocked by the Nawanagar defense. Tarun Sporting once again still in possession of the ball, looking for a man, passes it inside, nobody to mark him, and that can be dangerous. It is a missed opportunity for Tarun Sporting. Nawanagar. Oh, that was a tackle. Free kick for Nawanagar, and the goalkeeper has come to take the free kick. All the players except the goalkeeper are in the half of Tarun Sporting, all of them. There's only the goalkeeper who's in the other half. Right inside. Can anything be done? There is a lot of pushing, but it goes right over. That was too much energy. And that's the end of the match. Tarun Sporting have won this match by 1 goal.
As we are in the third day of Jesus Art Foundation football tournament, and here we are some to thank our sponsors. Our sponsors are Prakash Rodrigues, Wellspun Foundation, Basin Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Manikpur Urban Cooperative, Credit Society Limited, Mr. Dinesh Pariyar, Mr. Vijay Govind Patil, Mendonca Farm Stay, Under the Sky by Disa Farm, Manco iSpace, Mr. Rohan Manene, Viva Holding and Homes, Hotel Shiv Krupa, Hotel Haridwar, Tipsy Panda, Pink Salt Cafe, Uptown Cafe, V Delivers, Omicron,